Hello there and welcome to another video in this ongoing Your Grammar Questions Answered series. My name's Hugh Dellar. I'm a coursebook writer. I've co-authored the Outcome series, the Innovation series, a couple of levels of perspectives, roadmap and so on. I'm also a methodology book writer. I co-authored the Teaching Lexically book. And I run an online language school working with advanced level students called Lexical Lab. So what I'm doing in this series of videos is basically trying to deal with questions about tricky little bits of grammar that you send in to me. The question we're going to look at today came in from a person called Diana, or Deanna, I'm not sure which pronunciation is correct. And the question is, what's the difference between I wish he didn't smoke and I wish he wouldn't smoke? Would it be correct to say that the former expresses regret and the latter annoyance? Well, it's a bit strange to think about expressing regret about someone else's activities or behaviours. And I think maybe a better way to think about these kinds of questions is, how do we use this grammar? What do we do with this grammar? And generally, when we're using I wish plus a past tense, we're basically saying that we would like something permanent, something factual, something true, not to be permanent and factual and true. Okay? So you might say, I wish he didn't smoke, meaning he smokes, I don't like it, I would like it to stop. And in this situation, it's basically he smokes as a fact of life. You know, he smokes 10 a day or 20 a day, or he smokes cigarettes sometimes. In the same way, you might look in the mirror and you might say, for example, in my case, oh, I wish my nose was a little bit smaller. You know, one of the facts of my life is I have quite a big nose. And, you know, it's not small. I would like it to be small, even though I recognise this isn't going to happen. Maybe you wake up one day and you realise you're starting to lose your hair and you say, God, I wish I had the hair I used to have when I was 25. Maybe you wish you were taller, or you wish you spoke better English. You know, in both of these situations, you're not as tall as you'd like to be. You don't speak English as well as you would like to. These are just facts of life that you're not happy about and that you'd like to be different. With I wish plus would or I wish plus wouldn't, it's usually said, yes, to express annoyance, but it's said at the time when someone is doing something that's annoying you. So I wish he wouldn't smoke is a slightly weird thing to say. I mean, maybe if, you know, your husband or your dad or your brother is smoking in the room next to you and you're talking to someone else, you might say, oh, I wish he wouldn't smoke in the house. I wish he wouldn't smoke in here. Much more commonly is I wish you wouldn't or I wish you would. And it's usually said to express annoyance at the time or just after the time that someone's done something annoying. So you might say, you know, if you come home and your partner is smoking in the house, you might say, oh, how many times do I have to tell you this? I really wish you wouldn't smoke in here. Or how many times do I have to tell you this? I wish you would go outside when you're smoking. In the same way, it's a chunk of grammar that's often used in domestics, little arguments around the house. So you might say, for example, when you go into the bathroom and you find the toothpaste with the lid off, you might find your partner and say, look, I wish you'd remember to put the lid back on the toothpaste. Maybe you come home and you find out that your flat's in a complete mess. So you talk to your flatmates and say, listen, I wish you lot would tidy up after yourselves. Or I wish you wouldn't leave your things lying around all over the place. So here you're expressing annoyance about something that you see the result of or that you see in action at the moment. Hope this helps and look forward to answering further questions. Thank you.